A number of games are leaving the Xbox Game Pass this month, and perhaps the list has one of the most beloved ones too. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. Microsoft has confirmed the batch of games leaving Xbox Game Pass this month, and among them is Grand Theft Auto 5. As revealed on the Xbox PC app, Rockstar's GTA 5 Enhanced and GTA 5 Legacy leave Game Pass on April 15, 2026. The timing here makes sense. GTA 5's removal comes a year after the game returned to Games Pass on April 15, 2025, with GTA 5 Enhanced playable via PC Game Pass. So it looks like Microsoft snapped up GTA 5 for Game Pass in a 12-month deal. But GTA 5 isn't the only game leaving Game Pass this month. Games leaving Xbox Game Pass in April 2026 include Eiyuden, Chronicle, 100 Heroes, Terra, Invicta, My Little Pony, A Zephyr Heights Mystery, and Ashen. As GTA 5 is packing up to leave the Xbox Game Pass in just a few days, Take-Two boss Strauss Zelnick has already put out the word that the marketing for GTA 6 is set to kick off this summer. GTA 6 is currently pinned a November 19, 2026 date for the release on PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X and S only, but there's still no PC version announced. As for the price for the highly weighted GTA 6, it remains a mystery, with some expecting Rockstar to charge up to $100 for the game, although there's no evidence to prove the claim right now. But one thing Zelnick has been clear on is denying rumors that GTA 6 will be a digital-only release upon its initial launch. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.